Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a mobile menu to your Blocksy site. Okay, here we go. We have a starter site from Blocksy. You can see there's a bunch of example content here. This is brand new, it's fresh. Generally, all of them have mobile menus already installed or as part of the starter site, the demo content. So you don't really have to worry about it. But in the odd case that you don't, and let's take a look here. Let's hit our F12 console here. All right. And then we can select here, and you can see that we have the trigger here. And let's just double check that it's there. And all right, so it's disappeared. We've removed it. And how do we add it? Or how do we configure it after adding it to our website, right? So how do we get to our menu from mobile, right? How do we enable that? So let's go ahead and head over to our customizer, all right? And we're gonna keep this on our mobile version since that's what we're concerned with today. Okay, so to configure anything mobile or tablet, you're gonna wanna go down here to these three buttons, and you can see that we are in our mobile viewing version. Now, if we clicked on this, our main row, it takes us to our main row customizer, as well as our header customizer, our header builder, right? And we have our off-canvas logo and our menu and everything here, but how do we open it? So we have our logo here, and of course, we can add all of these other widgets, such as contacts. You'll see them appear right here, right? Or we have our socials, which we can add here, but they're in our off-canvas area, right? We can have that there. But the hamburger icon, it's called the trigger. So let's go ahead and add that smack dab in the middle. And we now have our icon here. When we click that, we have all of this. So we have our off-canvas logo, mobile menu 1, socials. We can even add our contacts below, and if we scroll down, we'll have all of our numbers available there. All right. So there's how you add a mobile menu to your Blocksy site. But how else do we configure this? We can click on a trigger and return home. Click on trigger first, and we can customize how the logo looks like, and you can see there's like a few different options and styles. We have outline, we have solid, we have the spacing for its container, and we can have it right there. We can have our label at the bottom. Let's change the design. We can change the border radius. We can change the color. We can change the margin, right? So percent. Let's link it 5, 10, 15. That should be fine for padding and spacing. And now we can also configure how our menu, the menu itself, looks like. So we have here, by default, apparently, it's a side panel. So when you open it, it's here on the side, and we can still see everything inside. If it's modal, it opens up and covers our whole website. We can also change the alignment of everything inside. As you can see, we can also have enable a heading there. And if we made it side panel, we can have, watch the space, left panel, left side or right side. If we click on left side real quick, let's go home. You can see it pops up on the left side, and we have the space over here. We can also change our vertical alignment and horizontal alignment and enable or disable the heading. Next, over here, we can change the color of the panel. If you wanted to make a different color, you can do so. All right, we can also change the style of our close button, and we can also increase or decrease the icon size, and we can also increase or decrease the border radius. All right, so let's publish that. All of these are just widgets that you can add or remove. And this menu here, you can always change which menu you're going to use. And let's hit refresh on our mobile site here. And you can see we have now our mobile menu that appears from the left side and has these colors and has this heading and has this close button and additional things down there, additional widgets down there. So there's how you add a custom mobile menu and customize it on your WordPress Blocksy mobile website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.